Hello, let's try to solve our first exercise in Python. The exercise is a very simple one. The exercise called mailing address, and that is to create a program that displays your name and complete mailing address formatted in the manner that you would usually see it on the outside of an envelope. Your program does not need to read any input from the user. The solution likewise is a simple one as well. It uses the print command to print the various string fields that are required to print as the mailing that is included in the mailing address. So the code which I have jotted down already for you guys comprises of 10 lines of print commands to print the address. Let's run our program. I use PyCharm editor, so I'll come to this run menu and run the program. As I run the program, I see the result here as it was desired. I hope you will try to follow this and run it on your editor and see the results yourself. Thank you so much.